Why travel down the Hume Highway when you can make your way through the New South Wales Victorian High Country? This makes for an experience which the boys can appreciate and show what our country has to offer. We head towards the Gibbo River, which has been long too far between visits. The Glengarry Football Club, which have been camping here for over 30 years on the annual football trip, which in actual fact they've built this hut, which hopefully stays here for years to come. Formerly known as the Gibbo.
Yeah, like I think it used to be one of those drink places. Yeah, I think it was one of them. And then over here we have the fire, and a little table, the car, and then the bikes. And yeah. Oh, and don't forget the canoe. Wait, Harrison, why don't you show them over there, around the back? And leaves. Yeah, we also have these things at the back. What is this? It's a little shiver. That's a car. That's I think that's a door of a car. Created my own one. At first, they
What is it?
White.
A little
So
Easter
it's
egg.
the Easter egg, and you're meant to decorate it, and this is how I did mine.
Oh, wow.
So I actually licked these, so they would be like sunglasses.
Right.
At
So it's
first
a
I
little
put it on,
smile.
and I'm like, doesn't look right. So I just like, bleh.
So you got a little smiley face on there with, what is it? Mouth and
Yeah, and
some hair
is
too.
teeth. If you go like this, teeth and hair.
very good. Awesome.
And then,
All right.
and then you could feel it in this bit, and then, yeah. Because my red came out as orange.
That's okay. Turn it around.
Hello, Mr. Eggy.
Oh, yeah, pull them out. Can I have a look?
You eating yours?
Turn it around. Oh, wow, good boys. Look at that. Egg making. What you got there, Crackers?
Nice little rainbow, mate. Between brown and a rainbow.
Oh, it's eating the worm. It's trying to eat the worm.
Nice.
Look
It's
at
a nice little pan size, actually. Cook it up if you want.
Yeah.
it. Oh. They do good backflips. Woo! Catch his thing. That's what the blood is. Oh my god, he scared me. I know, it sucks. Oh no, get off! Not inside. It's a huge sardine. That's for sure. Wait. We should touch this.
G'day guys, Des here. Back in Tassie last year. Cracker's got he found a little toy, a little pink toy, and he put it in my car, so I've kept it for over a year. And what we're going to do now is put it to his front of his car. So Miss Daisy, little toy, kind of matches, so we're going to see it's on the front of his car and tell us what it is. Morning, Crackers. What's going on?
Just tidying up the car, mate.
Come over here, mate. I found something in front of your car. I'm not sure if it's a new accessory that you got.
Right.
But
Here we go.
yeah,
Should be good.
kind of suits the car though. Oh, look at that! Have a look at that! Have a look at that!
It's a little funny, mate.
Now, does that remind you of anything?
It reminds me of Des being a dickhead.
Come on, have a good look.
Nah, we've got nothing for you.
Nothing for me. I've kept that for over a year. Do you remember in Tassie when you found the toy and you put it in front of my car?
Is that the toy?
That's the toy.
Well, mate, you've got a very long memory.
Well, it kind of suits the car being Miss Daisy and all. Look at that. What a beautiful accessory, that one. Yeah, you'll keep that for years to come.
Right, mate, you got me a beauty.
Leave it on. You've got to leave it on.
Hopefully the kangaroo fixes that right up real quick.
Like that. So another trip gone. Gone up to Kosciuszko for a few days for Easter, and then come up through Gibbo River.
Yeah, we had about, first day about 7 hours driving, went up to Mount Pinnacle, Pinnabar, through Tom Grogan, made our way back down to Victoria, through some of the beautiful back roads of the high country.
Copy.
Yep.
Bruce is going to do a bit of taping as you're going up.
You want to have a quick look at that now?
Yeah, man. sure if something's happened.
I think we gotta go a different way.
This is the log. I just got hung up. Yeah, it was. I don't know. Just got stuck on there.
Have a look at the gradient on this. Oh, Dad's got stuck up on that log there. Stuck to get up, had the lockers on.
I had to back up a bit just to get past that log. It was just spinning the tyres once I was on that log.
It's really dry, so it's not too hard going, but I'll tell you what, this is bloody steep. Just want to get up. Back on the main drag. Omeo to Bairnsdale, the Great Alpine Road. 120 kilometres of pristine, windy road with beautiful scenery to the left and right. This is a must-do. This is a perfect way for us to finish our trip heading back into Melbourne. I couldn't have asked for more. The scenery from Mount Kosciuszko all the way back into Victoria, fantastic. We've had a wonderful time.